Hello and welcome to Excellent Link Academy. For this class, we look at the study of calculus. We look at yet a concept called differentiation. By definition, differentiation has to do with the change in a parameter or variable with respect to another parameter or variable. So the change in a parameter or variable with respect to another parameter or variable, that's simply the concept of differentiation. By illustration, let's say I have y, right, to be equal to f of x, right? So my first derivative here becomes dy over dx, which is equal to f prime of x. So here is the concept. If I have y to be equal to x, so it means that the change in y with respect to x becomes the y over the x. That's just the concept. So the change in a parameter or variable with respect to another parameter x or variable, that becomes differentiation. So here's the concept. Let's say I have p to be equal to t. The change in p with respect to t becomes the p over the t. Observe in this first case here, I had y. So y is changing with respect to x. So in that case, I'll have the y over the x. Similarly, p is changing with respect to t. Of course, I'll have the p over the t. Let's say, for instance, I have f to be equal to g. In this case, f is changing with respect to g. Of course, I'll have the f over the g. So the change in a parameter or variable with respect to another parameter or variable, that's just simply the concept of differentiation. When it comes to differentiation, there are several methods involved. We'll look at this method one after the other. Basically, let's look at the concept of methods of differentiation. Let's look at the methods of differentiation. There are close to 5 methods, right, involved in differentiation. Let's list them out and then look at them one after the other. So the first one there is called the general method, right? So some people call it the power method.